Let's do tricks. All right. What should we do? All right, you ready? Spin. Spin. Come here. Sit pretty. Good boy. Did I tell you to do that? I didn't tell you to do that. Come over here. Shake. Shake. Thank you very much, sir. Keep leaving rolled over on me. Go sleep. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Wake up. You're such a funny doggy. Alright. Stand up. Let's go. I think we should do prayers. You ready to pray? Okay. Let's pray that you do better at your training. Good boy.
He needs a good rollover.
That's a good boy. Okay. Wait, I did not tell you to get up. Get up. I didn't tell you to do that. Lay down. I didn't say ignore me. Look at me. Hey, Bo. I didn't say talk to the hand. Roll over. Over here. Lay down. Roll over. Yep. Lay down. Roll over. Good boy. All right. Next, we will leave it. Smell it? Leave it. Okay. Okay. Let me see. What else do we have that you can do for tricks? Let's get over here. Let's look pretty. Let's look pretty. Lay down. Good boy. Stay. Stay.